Hi, Michelle here from Strawberry, and today I'm going to give you a tour of my new shoebox packing room. I know I have shown you my shoebox packing room before, and not even that long ago. I have kind of changed out my room a couple of times in the past couple of years, but this is definitely the prettiest my room has been, and I think it's really gonna work for me. God has given me this space, and so I'm going to use it for Him. As you enter this little room, it used to be a sun porch, and it was completely built in before I bought the house a long time ago. And that's just a twin size bed, so this room is not very big. Let me show you a couple of features. So the windows, I just recently purchased these blackout curtains that help with the sunlight in the summer when the room gets really hot, and helps in the winter to keep the room a lot warmer, and those have been a big improvement. I have a twin size bed in here, and as you can see, my new comforter, it has, I might say no problem llama, but those are alpacas because alpaca shoebox, and I just love that, and I got it off of Amazon, so I will leave you a link in the description below. I have the oldest map of the New World. That was my father's, and I thought that having a map in my shoebox packing room was a really fun idea. And I have another alpaca because I love alpacas. Okay, so that's the end of the room. So this is also a guest room. These shelves, years ago, my children found, and they cleaned up for me and gave them to me as a gift. And so I like to display the stuffed animals that I have found that I'm going to be packing this year. The filing cabinet was already in the room from other things. Oh, I have a globe because, you know, the shoeboxes are going worldwide. And the filing cabinet really has nothing to do with the shoebox packing room, but it was already here. Okay, so over here I have these plastic storage bins, and I have them broken up into girl 2 to 4, 5 to 9, 10 to 14, boy 2 to 4, and this one says boy 5 to 14 because last year I was having a hard time finding boy stuff, but these are just pieces of paper with tape on the back that I have used a chalk writer on, so I can switch out the labels really easily. And this one has extra school supplies in it right now. I guess I should label that one. This little shelf, this has like my supplies, some school supplies, and then like some jewelry items. We've got t-shirts that I can DIY and add something to, more school supplies, and small bags, like those bags from Ipsy and stuff. This giant flower pot now has stuffed animals in it too because I found a bunch of stuffed animals after Christmas. This container, oh, that's kind of sad. It says water bottles, but there's a water bottle lid in there, so it is ready to have some more stuff in it. This label is not even there. There's nothing in there. This one says sports. Right over here, these containers came from Dollar Tree, so they were $1.25 each. And then I believe these tags also came from Dollar Tree, and using the chalk writer on them to label everything and just make it look cute. I think the gray and white looks really cute, especially with the alpaca bedspread. So we've got toothbrush, we've got other hygiene items. Made a couple of kits already with some chapstick and some nail clippers and some nail files. Got some washcloths in there. These are hair items that I have right now. Hairbrushes and scrunchies. I have boys' socks, girls' socks. Granted, I am filming this at the beginning of March. I do pack year-round blankets, but I have not done a whole lot of shopping this year. Basically, I have stuff that might have been left over from last year, which I try not to have too much left over from one year to the next. Underwear, bandanas, and notepads. But I did hit the after Christmas sales this year and a little bit of the Valentine's sales. I didn't really find much. If we come over to this side of the room, this big metal shelf is really kind of just waiting for whatever needs to be put on it. I do have some pencil packs all ready to go that I've already made this year with the school supplies that I had. This is stuff that I got at my convention that I'm going to put in shoe boxes. I did find some of the Hair Amazing dolls again this year on clearance, and I've started making little kits with them and putting them in here. I had a whole bunch of these last year. This is like some craft supplies and things that a friend gave me that I keep finding things in there that I can pull out and put in some of my boxes, like giving a girl a roll of washi tape or something. Over here I have more of the gray and white containers. So this one says containers. So it's got like little Easter egg type of things in it. Stickers. That one looks a little messy right now. Cars. Party favor type items. Crafts and art supplies. These are stuffies, but these are like the really small stuffies when you need just, your box is full, but you want to put something soft in there. So I have some really small little stuffies. Got some accessories. This one is mislabeled. So this is actually box lid calendar pages and things to go on the box lid. So I should change that label out. Got some small toys in here. Kit supplies. So if I'm making a kit of craft or art supplies, I can find the stuff in there. These are coloring books that I found, I believe, at Dollar General after Christmas this year. I've got some composition books. I've got some dry erase boards. I've got some books and some plastic folders that I could add paper to. And then this is a box of bags and backpacks that I can put into my shoe boxes. And again, more space so that I can add in. I'll have to fix that in a moment. More space so that I can add in extra stuff when I'm done. Up here, I do have a couple of themed type boxes that I'm working on. This one's going to be Minnie Mouse. So just having that out and ready. And I believe that is it. I hope that you enjoyed this tour of my shoebox packing room. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And until next time, toodles!